Hello guys, welcome to my channel Bacha Tutorials. Today we are going to see input function. So without wasting time, let's get started. And boom. Okay. So now, to take an input, so first we will learn what is an input function. So input function allows the user to take input in your program. Okay, like to use an input, first you have to add a variable. So I'm taking I'm taking var and giving input. So this is done like this. So if I run this, it is asking for the input. I'm giving anything that I want. I'm giving, wait, I will give Fortly. So that got ended. Why did that got ended? Because I have not done anything forward. Okay, so now let's add something. I will take var2. I will make this var1 and I will make this input. So I have made two inputs. So let me tell you first. Oops, what happened? Now I suggest you guys to make notes of what you're learning, guys, because as a research from Superbrain, I don't know if you watch it or not, but according to them, anything read in 48 hours, maximum of it gets lost, guys. So better you make it or keep it in written form, guys. Written or say whatever I have given, guys. Write it in PyCharm in your systems and save it in a side. Okay, continuing, input always guys takes input as a string. So if you want to make a calculator, okay, so if they give in string, how will you add? If you have seen my other videos or previous videos, you would have known that a string always collapse. Okay, so this is not collapsing. I don't want to collapse actually, so we use typecasting here, guys. So for input I will give int. Okay, now at the end also int starting end. Oh, I did a mistake. Okay, this allows them to give, oops, I have not done anything forward yet, so I will give print var1 plus var2. so if I give 12 23, it should give 35. so this was okay. Let me make it a little bit better, guys. So I will add here enter your your number, guys, and let's copy this, paste it here also. For run this, it should ask enter your number. Oh, why is that? Okay, 12 it's 24, and I will give here in string your answer. Your answer is ending this comma numbers. So I don't want to print beside this, guys. This is so annoying, so I will add \n. Do you remember escape sequences which I had taught you? This is used here, guys. Okay, \n. Okay, See, now it takes in the next line. Your answer is 24. It's giving double space. I'll take the space off. Now it should give me perfectly with one space. Okay guys, this was input function, and don't forget this, input always takes input as a string. So if you want to make a calculator like this, should always do carefully. Use the typecasting mode. You can even make it subtraction. Give 12, 6, no, 9. It's 3. I knew the answer. I just showed you. Okay. So guys, I will give you a assignment, guys. Meant. This is about making a calculator, guys. Calculator. Okay guys, this is about making a calculator. This is how it is done, guys. Okay, you should enter your number. This symbol should be changed. You should do for plus, minus, multiplication and division, guys. These 3 things. Okay, oh sorry, 4 things. And you should give me at the comments, guys. The answer should be public. You create the file in the PyCharm. When it's completely running, copy the code fully, paste it on the comments. I will go there, copy that, check in my PyCharm, and declare who's the winner, guys. I know there are not more subscribers or viewers for my channel. Then also I should give some assignments, guys, because learning should be always with homework, guys. Okay, this is your homework today. Thank you, guys. See you next time.